Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First let me go to TV. In TV, open settings. Set settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. And here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. First you have to connect TV to Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Then go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, open settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap here. Tap on connections. So here you can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Then in mobile phone, open Google Play Store. Tap on this Google Play Store icon. Install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open. Tap on open. We need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Tap on this devices tab. Tap here. So here you can see this Google Home app will search and detect TV in the same Wi-Fi network. Here you can see Google TV. That is the name of the TV which I am using, this TV. Here this Google Home app has successfully detected Google TV in the same Wi-Fi network. Tap on this TV name. Tap here. Tap on customize screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. See, screen mirroring is working. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen in TV. So next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again open Google Home app. Here you can see stop mirroring. Tap here. Done. This way we can do screen mirroring. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.